Venus, the planet nearest to us, has fascinated both researchers and the general public for many years. Slightly smaller than Earth, it possesses a gravity that is comparable to our own. Although its surface is extremely hot, the upper layers of clouds present a more moderate climate that may be capable of supporting life. Covered by clouds consisting of sulfuric acid, the surface of Venus features an extremely hot and thick atmosphere, boasting a surface temperature of approximately 867 degrees Fahrenheit and a pressure that is 90 times that of Earth. Composed of 96.5% carbon dioxide, the atmosphere generates a runaway greenhouse effect that retains heat, making Venus the hottest planet in our solar system. The terrain of Venus primarily consists of flat plains, interspersed with some mountains and volcanic structures. There is an absence of liquid water. Venus's clouds are mainly made up of sulfuric acid, which is an extremely corrosive substance. Yet, there are areas within these clouds where temperature and pressure resemble those on Earth's surface. This raises the potential for the existence of life. Microorganisms could thrive in the cooler, Earth-like environments present in the higher altitudes of clouds. They could utilize sunlight and chemicals as energy sources and could possess mechanisms to endure their acidic conditions. Bigger and more intricate organisms could have the ability to float and reproduce in the clouds, drawing sustenance from smaller microorganisms or harnessing the resources present. Extremophiles are organisms that have the ability to thrive in harsh environments, including extreme heat, high pressure, or acidic settings. Certain extremophiles found on Earth may be capable of enduring the conditions in the clouds of Venus. Although there is no conclusive proof of life existing on Venus, there have been intriguing clues suggesting its possibility. Phosphine gas, suggested as a potential biosignature, has been detected in Venus's atmosphere. While it may originate from non-biological processes, its presence has been suggested as possible evidence of life. However, phosphine is also a highly toxic substance used in warfare. Researchers have speculated about the potential existence of microorganisms on Venus due to the cloud's ability to absorb ultraviolet light. However, an alternative non-biological explanation has been proposed. Spectroscopic analysis has shown that iron containing sulfate minerals can explain this UV absorption. This combination of rhomboclase and acid ferric sulfate is stable in the extreme chemical environment present in the clouds of Venus' atmosphere. 3 forthcoming missions are scheduled to investigate Venus and its atmospheric conditions. These missions will be equipped with cutting-edge instruments designed to look for biosignatures and other indicators of life. Damancy Fuzz is a NASA initiative that aims to investigate the atmosphere of Venus, focusing on its chemical makeup, composition, and historical changes. Additionally, a probe will be deployed to navigate through the atmosphere and gather data. The launch of Damancy Plow is projected for about 2030. Veritas is an upcoming NASA mission that aims to map the surface of Venus to gain insights into its geological features and historical context. Utilizing radar technology, it will penetrate the dense cloud cover to produce high-resolution surface images. The launch of Veritas is anticipated to take place around 2030. Envision is an ESA mission that will study Venus from its core to its upper atmosphere. It will investigate the planet's geology, atmosphere, and climate to understand how and why Venus and Earth are so different. Envision is planned for launch in the early 2030s. In conclusion, the potential for life on Venus represents a fascinating field of study. Although there are still many uncertainties, the prospect of finding life beyond our planet significantly motivates space exploration. Upcoming missions are expected to provide further our understanding of the conditions required for life to flourish in the universe. If you like this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, please help support this channel. See the description for details.